Okay, folks, I had uploaded another video where I replaced the Humidistat on my moisten air unit, and I'm going to open this thing real quick, but it's going to kick on and make some noise, so just so you know what a moisten air unit is. Actually, let me open it. The bottom of the cabinet so you can see. I've got some used cigar boxes that I'm actually tried to season in here, but it's a moisten air unit, and it had a just a knob controller. It wasn't digital, it was just a very rough controller there. And so what I did was I replaced that twice with eBay used humidistats on eBay or from eBay, and that didn't work out too well for me. My original problem with this unit was that it would kick on. It wouldn't kick on until it got to like 60% humidity. If I had it adjusted, lower, and then if I tried to bump it up just a little bit, it would go over 70. So it was keeping it 74, 75%. Which is too humid. So I wanted it somewhere between 68 and 70. Really, I prefer 68, 69, right in there is my sweet spot. Too much, even at 70%, it seems like they don't smoke as well. And then you certainly don't want it to get down in the 66, 65 or lower. So I replaced the Humidistat twice with used ones, and they were doing the exact same thing. They wouldn't come up, and if I bumped them up just a little bit, they were going over 70. I bump them down, they'd go down to 60. I could not get them to hit that sweet spot, and I didn't understand it. So I contacted Will with Moisten Air, and great customer service. I cannot say anything other than praise for him and for the company. Really have been great to me anyway. So basically he said, send it to me, I'll put a digital one on there. So I spent already, like 35 bucks a piece for these used ones, put two on. They turned out to be useless. I already was in 70 bucks into this thing, and I was thinking, damn, I should have just bought a new moisten air unit. But he convinced me otherwise. And basically he said, look, send it to me, we guarantee it for 90 days. And so sent it to him. He put the digital hygrometer on it. He replaced the water level stick on it for me. And even though it's showing 77%, that's off, but I don't care, because I've got a couple of hygrometers that I have calibrated using the moist salt method. And if you don't know what that is, you need to YouTube it and figure out how to do it. But it'll tell you exactly what your hygrometers, because the ones you buy are not 100% on. For example, I bought two of them, and one of my hygrometers, well, is 2% humidity over. It shows 2% over what it actually is, and one of them is like 3% under. So you really need to do that. You need to calibrate them. But anyway, this shows 77%, but both of the hygrometers that I've got in my humidor are showing nailing right on 68%. So this is wrong, but it doesn't matter, because if it keeps it where I need it to be, that's all I care about. I don't care what that says on there. That doesn't mean anything to me. I'm going to keep playing with it a little bit. I got it about a week ago. Try to get it to where it'll level off about 69%, not go below 68, not go above 70. Right now it's pinging right on 68%, has for a couple of days. But anyway, so I just wanted to put a plug in for Moisten Air and for Will at Moisten Air. And I don't get any money for any of these videos. I don't even monetize my videos. So I just want to let y'all know that. So this is not me saying this because he helped me out. I paid him $100. I shipped it to him and put a $100 check in there. And for that $100, he put the new stick in, which I didn't care one way or the other about, but it's nice that he did it. But he put that digital hygrometer on there. And that's what I needed. And it finally fixed my unit. It was just driving me insane. Having to put bowls of water in here and everything, it's just, I'd have to come in here and open the door because it was 74%. And so finally got all that worked out. So I'm really happy now. So if you, and the units are a couple $100, but if you've got a humidor, a stand-up humidor, you really need something like that. And it works great. So anyway, stay tuned for more cigar and wildlife management videos.